Industry 4.0 is no longer merely a notion that can be fully realized through large and local digital transformation programs and smart factories. Companies all around the world are digitally transforming their production processes, assembly lines, and asset-intensive operations with Industry 4.0 technologies. It ushers in a new digital world that alters manufacturing, operations, and labor standards. Hello and welcome back to another informative video by the USA leaders. In this video, we learn about the core technologies that will dominate Industry 4.0. The following 9 basic technologies compose most of the manufacturing process in Industry 4.0. Big data and data analytics. This includes using statistics, graphs, and data analysis to measure performance and alter systems to enhance productivity and other goals. Autonomous robots. Autonomous robots that require little supervision are useful tools in Industry 4.0. As a result, black factories have emerged, where machines carry out all production with little to no human control and work late into the night. Simulation. The use of visual aids and software to simulate complex processes and designs has become a common practice in any engineering or manufacturing organization. Systems integration, vertically and horizontally. Implementing data integration networks will make organizational hierarchies more cohesive and cross-company communication much easier. Industrial Internet of Things, IIoT. Because every device may communicate remotely and contribute data, the widespread usage of embedded computers enables decentralization. The decentralized method will result in substantially faster real-time responses. Cybersecurity. Increased connectivity may increase the danger of security breaches. As a result, data protection requires cybersecurity and defense measures. The cloud. Transparency and data exchange are critical components of Industry 4.0. The use of cloud technology facilitates data exchange and improves connectivity. Additive manufacturing. Using 3D printing and modeling to create prototypes and lightweight designs has become critical to the design process since it allows organizations to turn simulations into actual goods. Augmented Reality Ar. AR is the last uncharted frontier in the Industry 4.0 paradigm. It is currently utilized for selecting things from warehouses and envisioning prospective design choices. It can undoubtedly be improved to provide workers with real-time data and information. Is Industry 5.0 on the cards? Industry 5.0, which incorporates robots and smart technologies that help humans perform better and smarter, is already being explored. According to predictions, Industry 5.0 will cause over 60% of manufacturing, logistics and supply chains, agri-farming, mining, and oil and gas sectors will employ chief robotics officers by 2025 by linking the way man and machine operate together. Implementing Industry 4.0 concepts into business procedures and operations will boost output and growth. This enables firms to execute previously understood tasks in wholly novel ways, potentially altering supply chains, manufacturing, and business models. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Do like and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more insightful videos.